Good morning, third graders. Today is Friday, May 1st, and we're going to begin a new lesson, which we have worked a lot with in the past, which is point of view. If you remember carefully, thinking back to when we were in school together, we talked about how the point of view is the person's opinion or how they think or how they feel about something. So today it says that as we read, we're going to determine if your point of view of the story is the same or if it's different from that of the narrator and the characters. So we're going to really focus on how the characters or the narrator feels about a topic and then how you feel about the topic as well. It says, read. Characters are people or animals in each story. Each character has a point of view or feelings. Remember, that's very important. The feelings are their opinions about what is happening in the story. The narrator tells the story from an outside perspective and describes events and actions in the story. The narrator also has a point of view. But remember, the narrator is not in the story, but a character is in the story. A narrator is just talking about what's happening while a character is actually in the story. As you are reading this story, you will have your own point of view. Compare, tell how they are the same, and contrast how they are different. Your points of view from the characters and the narrator's point of view will help you better understand the text. As you read, ask yourself questions to help you figure out your point of view, such as, who is telling the story, and what do the characters think, and what do I think? Look at the family in this cartoon below. Do all of these people feel the same way about green bean ice cream? Is Dad's point of view different from the children's? Now, here's Dad. Dad has a smile on his face. His face looks happy. And he says, "It's my new delicious recipe for green bean ice cream." Now the sister sitting over here, she has a spoon in front of her and she has a smile on her face and her face looks soft. She doesn't look upset, so we can tell that she looks like she's going to like the ice cream. The brother, on the other hand, look at his face. Look at his eyes, his mouth, and just all of his body language is very tense. So that shows me that it does not look like he's going to like the ice cream. Let's turn the page and go to the think portion. Using what you see in the cartoon, complete the first row by describing how the girl feels. Well, they've already done that. The girl's actions and how she feels. How the boy feels about the green bean ice cream, we'll do that here. And then how the dad feels about the green bean ice cream. We'll do that here. So it tells us that the girl is smiling and she seems to be enjoying the ice cream. Those are her actions, the things that she is doing. So then it tells us her point of view here. She thinks the ice cream is great. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the boy's actions. If we go back up here and look, we said he is, I think a good word for that is grimacing. Grimacing. I don't know if that's how you spell that word. Grimacing. And he has a and he has a frown on his face. So we can tell from those things how he or what he thinks about the ice cream. The boy thinks the ice cream will be disgusting. I know I didn't spell that right.
So
disgusting. There we go.
There's no way I'm sitting here when
the dad's actions, if we go back and we look at the dad, we can see the dad's face. He looks pleasant, he looks happy, and he looks really proud of his green bean ice cream. So we're going to write up here the dad's actions. He is smiling. He is happy. I can say his eyes are happy. His eyes look bright and happy. So that shows me that Dad's point of view is that he is proud. The dad is proud. Oh no. It went that way. Huh.
Yeah, down that little road?
No, they just went down that way. Sorry, we're looking at the trash truck. The dad is proud of the ice cream he made. There. Okay. After you complete this section of your thinking activity, I want you to go on down to the talk part. And you're going to take turns talking with a partner, describing each of the characters' point of view, and tell your point of view of the green bean ice cream. Is your point of view the same, or is it different from the characters? So if Miss Lee were there talking to you, I would say, I would try the green bean ice cream, but I don't think I would like it. I've never had green bean ice cream, but my opinion of it would be that it's probably not going to be delicious. It's probably going to be pretty gross. That's just my opinion. That's my point of view. So I agree with the boy. The boy's point of view and my point of view are similar. I do not agree with the girl's point of view, and I do not agree with the dad's point of view.
No Silas.
The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to read The Night Flying Friends. So you need to go ahead and pause your video and read that now, and then you're going to do this point of view chart exactly like we did the one before together, except you're going to be looking at Alex's actions. So how does Alex feel? Then you're going to look at Max's actions in the story, and how does Max feel, or his point of view. It's their point of view toward each other. So how does Alec feel about Max, and how does Max feel about Alec? That's what you'll be filling out in this portion. Then it says to talk to your partner about how Max and Alec's point of view are the same and different. Do their points of view change at the end of the story? And then talk about your point of view of each character, which would be Max and Alec. Now you're going to do the short answer portion. I'll do that with you. What is your point of view about each character? Is your point of view the same or different from those of Max and Alec? So let's turn to page 262 in your packet. Here it is. I'm not going to complete this because it's asking for your point of view, but I am going to guide you through how to use race, restate, answer, and cite your evidence. So you would start with my point of view of Max is, and you would write your answer. My point of view of Alex is, and then you would have to tell why you feel that way. And you would also need to tell if your point of view is the same or different from Max and Alec. Oh, I spelled Alec wrong. Look, Miss Lee made a mistake. But that's why you're supposed to check over your work. So, This is how you'll complete this section. After you finish this short answer response, come on up here and you're going to read The Stable Boy and the Prince. After you read The Stable Boy and the Prince, you're going to answer these questions. What is Sam's point of view? Sam's point of view about working at the king's stable. Part A for number 2. What is Prince Oliver's point of view about Sam? And then you have to underline how you know this answer. Then number 3, why is Sam so eager to talk to the prince again? This is what you're going to talk to someone about in your home. And it's going to help you with the short answer response. And you need to fill that out on page 263. So here you would start your short answer question. Be sure you restate the question, answer the question, and cite evidence from the story. So give me examples of how you know your answer is correct. You'll make sure you want to check your writing when you finish. And I would like for you to please send a picture of your short answer question to me. And today's mystery word is the prince. So go ahead and get started on that reading work and enjoy the rest of your Friday. It's going to be a beautiful day. I miss you. I hope you have a great weekend too. Bye.